हरे गोपाल हरे
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोप बाला गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोप बाला गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
हे गिरिधर गोपाला हे गिरिधर गोपाला हे गिरिधर गोपाला
हे गिरिधर गोपाला हे गिरिधर गोपाला हे गिरिधर गोपाला
कृष्ण गिरिधर गोपाला राधा गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
कृष्ण गिरिधर गोपाला राधा गिरिधर गोपाला जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
हे माधव मुरहरि मधुर मनोहर गिरिधर गोपाला
माधव मुरहरि मधुर मनोहर गिरिधर गोपाला
ओ माधव मुरहरि मधुर मनोहर गिरिधर गोपाला
माधव मुरहरि मधुर मनोहर गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
जय जय गिरिधर गोपाला
हरे गिरिधर गोपाला
हरे गिरिधर गोपाला
कृष्ण गिरिधर गोपाला
कृष्ण गिरिधर गोपाला
राधा गिरिधर गोपाला
राधा गिरिधर गोपाला
Devotees, that bliss that was experienced in Gokula Puri in the village of Vraj. Gokula was transferred to in the Vrindavan forest where the village Vraj was created. We won't go into all the details, but we focus on the ecstasy that was experienced, unbounded, we can't express it. It was such an experience. But you know, in the world of duality, nothing lasts forever. There is a pairs of opposite. You have joy, unhappiness, union, separation, success, failure. We all know this. Devotees, when Bhagavan Krishna was about 12 years of age, Kans, who had made various efforts at destroying Bhagavan Sri Krishna, sent a very, very virtuous individual who was respected by all. His name was Akrur. He sent Akrur to the village of Vraj to bring Bhagavan Krishna and Balaram back to the city of Mathura. He wanted to destroy them. Devotees. And so, what happened? In brief, we are saying this, you know. Nand Baba was informed by Akrur, "O Nand, Krishna is not your son. Krishna is not the son of Yashoda. Krishna and Balaram, they are the sons of Vasudeva and Devaki." Now imagine you bring up a child for 12 years and he endeared himself to you to such an extent, and now at this age you are hearing that is not your son. Could you believe that? Nand Baba, perhaps not as emotional, but very pained all the same as Yashoda. When the mother heard, could she swallow that? Could she accept that? Yashoda fell to the ground. She said, "Never ever, that could never be. How could Krishna not be my son?" In denial, devotees. And you have to understand the pain that was experienced here. All the joy, duality, pain on the other hand, is a world of duality. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, though we must understand this, was never affected by any circumstances. You know, we are told, Bhagavan Sri Ram cried. He cried for Sita Mata, etc., etc. Bhagavan Sri Krishna never cried. Sri Ram was king. Bhagavan Sri Krishna was never king. He was a kingmaker. All these things good to know. The differences in the avatar between Sri Ram and Sri Krishna. Devotees, Bhagavan would have become angry. He portrayed that, but they say to cry and grieve Bhagwan cannot push that. Oh Arjun, why should you grieve? That is inevitable. And then he himself would grieve? No. Bhagwan didn't grieve. So devotee Bhagwan was untouched. Why I'm saying this is because we are told by Bhagwan himself, you need to go through this world with a state of equanimity. Don't get caught up with the sukh. Don't be overpowered by the dukh. Easier said than done, we all know that. But we are caught up in the world of duality. And even those who were with him, they experienced this. Kanhaiya had to leave Gokula Puri. Never, ever, ever, ever to return. Never ever to return. And in this, we also understand, ye ghari na jaye beat. We must live every moment in time, for this moment never ever comes back. There is reincarnation, we go on, but this moment will never ever ever come back. And you waste it, it is to your regret. And most of us waste our time, waste the opportunities, thinking, tomorrow I will have another chance. Even though you have another chance, this one is gone, it will never come back. Devotees, we need to make optimum use of every moment. Even the gopis would gladly have Bhagwan Sri Krishna to come back to the village of Vraj. It never happened. Never happened. So each moment, make use of it. Devotees, the gopis in deep distress. Radha, the beloved of Kanhaiya. Devotees. And also, Kanhaiya was her beloved. She was very suicidal. How can I live without Kanhaiya? She lay down on the pathway where the chariot had to pass and saying, drive over me. I can't live without my Kanhaiya. But devotees, she had to live without Kanhaiya. We all have to live sometimes as we go on. Separation is a fact of life. We have to be it. It's an experience that helps us to grow, though we don't want too much of that kind of experience. But devotees, Radha, day and night she would reflect upon her Kanhaiya. How he would be, his beautiful form. Bansi dhara Kanhaiya, ghan sham sundara.
Bansi dhara Kanhaiya, ghan sham sundara.
गिरिधार गोप बाला वृंदावन विहार बंशीधर कन्हैया घन श्याम सुंदर गोविंद माधवा है मधुसूदन मुकुंद
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 मधुसूदन मुकुंद
मधुसूदन मुकुंद
मधुसूदन मुकुंद
मधुसूदन मुकुंद
राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल
राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल
राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल
राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल राधे
बंशीधरा कन्हैया घनश्याम सुंदरा
बंशीधरा कन्हैया घनश्याम सुंदरा.
So devotees, Radha, the mother, they had a problems, devotees, pangs of separation, and they would reflect upon the moments they have had with Kanhaiya. Memories that will never die. Memories are what we are left with so many times. Is that so? And this is why we are advised, every moment we have, especially where divinity is concerned, don't waste it. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Oh mind, seek that Lord, chant His name. Hey manva bolo Radhe 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 Shyam Ram.
मनवा बोलो राधे 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 श्याम राम.
मनवा बोलो Radhe 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 Shyam Ram.
मनवा बोलो राधे 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 श्याम राम.
Ram 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 bolo Ram Sita Ram.
राम 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 बोलो राम सीता राम.
O Shyam 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 bolo Shyam Radhe Shyam. Hey manva bolo Radhe 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 Shyam Ram.
मनवा बोलो राधे 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 श्याम राम.
Ranga 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 bolo Panduranga Krishna Nam.
रंग रंगा रंगा बोलो पांडुरंगा कृष्ण नाम.
Ranga 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 bolo Ranga 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 bolo Ranga 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 bolo Panduranga Krishna Nam.
रंग रंगा रंगा बोलो पांडुरंगा कृष्ण नाम.
Purna Kamananda Dham bolo Sab Jag Sitaram.
पूर्ण कामानंद धाम बोलो सब जग सीताराम.
Purna Kamananda Dham bolo Sab Jag Sitaram.
पूर्ण कामानंद धाम बोलो सब जग सीताराम.
Sitaram Radhe Shyam bolo Sab Jag Sitaram.
सीताराम राधे श्याम बोलो सब जग सीताराम.
Sitaram Radhe Shyam bolo Sab Jag Sitaram.
सीताराम राधे श्याम बोलो सब जग सीताराम.
Ram 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 bolo Ram Sitaram.
राम 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 बोलो राम सीताराम.
O Shyam 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 bolo Shyam Radhe Shyam.
श्याम 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 बोलो श्याम राधे श्याम.
Hey manva bolo Radhe 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 Shyam Ram.
बोलो राधे 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 श्याम राम.
Hey manva bolo Radhe 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 Shyam Ram.
बोलो राधे 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 श्याम राम.
Devotees, Gokula Puri, well, the village of Vraj, you could very well imagine their state of mind at that point in time. The gopis, devotees, when they looked around, they danced with Kanhaiya. Kanhaiya played upon the bansuri. Kanhaiya burst their water pots. Kanhaiya was always there by the pond, teasing them. Where was Kanhaiya? Imagine to awake next morning and there is no Kanhaiya. The world will be empty, bleak, dread. There will be no motivation. No one would even want to move. Especially when you have had such dynamic interaction with Kanhaiya. The memories will be inside, yes, but these memories would haunt us. We'll be in a state of grief. The gopis, devotees, in pain. Jhuma jhuma mana mohan re, murali madhura sunaja. तेरे दर्श के प्यासी नैना, तेरे दर्श के प्यासी नैना, एक पल दर्श देखा जा रे, झूम झूम मन मोहन रे, मुरली मधुर सुना जा. गोकुल सुना मथुरा सुना, सुने ब्रज की धूली. भूल गए तू हमको मोह, हम ना तुझको भूले।
भूल गए तुम हमको मोह, हम ना तुझको भूले।
फिर पनघट से जमुना के तट से, फिर पनघट से जमुना के तट से आके रास रक्षा जारी। जय घनश्याम राधे श्याम, जय घनश्याम राधे श्याम।
जय घनश्याम राधे श्याम, जय घनश्याम राधे श्याम।
हम जैसे तू लाखों जग में, तुझको कौन है दाता।
जैसे तो लाखों जग में, तुझसे कौन है दाता।
दूर के सारी नाता हमने जोड़ा तुझ संग नाता।
सारे नाता
भंवर में नैया परे खिवैया, भंवर में नैया परे खिवैया, अब तो पार गजारी। जय घनश्याम राधे श्याम, जय घनश्याम राधे श्याम।
घनश्याम राधे श्याम, जय घनश्याम राधे श्याम।
झूम झूम मन मोहन रे, मुरली मधुर सुना जा, ए मुरली मधुर सुना जा, ए मुरली मधुर सुना। They will never hear Basuri again, devotees. And you know, the closest you can get to something like this, if you think of someone that you're deeply in love with, what we call love, no? Which is really infatuation. And you know, there's separation. Think of how you feel. And I'm emphasizing this because there's a reason for it, you know. The loneliness you feel, the depression you feel, the longing you feel, the craving you feel inside, these things are important. Important conditions to possess before God can come into your life. We started by saying, "Ek baar fir to aao." Come God, come, come. Is He going to come just like that? You really have to want Him, devotees. Devotees, memories, memories, memories. Nan Baba, the elders of the village, the friends of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Memories. याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना हो गया। रंजू थाना फिक्र खाना, जाना जाना हो गया। याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना हो गया। रंजू थाना फिक्र खाना, जाना जाना हो गया। याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना हो गया। दोस्ती करके मजा दो रोज भी पाया नहीं। हाँ, दो रोज भी पाया नहीं, दो रोज भी पाया नहीं। अंश के बदली में अब आंसू बहाना हो गया। याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना हो गया। मौज करे कुब जहा सेवा, पाती लिखी मोहि योग की। हाँ, पाती लिखी मोहि योग की, पाती लिखी मोहि योग की। जान कर बिन आग मुझको जी जलाना हो गया। याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना हो गया। एक समय वह था बुलाते थे हमें बंसी बजार। एक समय वह था बुलाते, एक समय वह था बुलाते थे हमें बंसी बजा, हाँ थे हमें बंसी बजा, थे हमें बंसी बजा। आए अब दर्शन का भी दुष्पार पाना हो गया। आए अब दर्शन का भी दुष्पार पाना हो गया। याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना हो गया। है मेरी तकदीर बिगड़ी, दोष उनको क्या मैं दूँ, हाँ दोष उनको क्या मैं दूँ। है मेरी तकदीर बिगड़ी, है मेरी तकदीर बिगड़ी, दोष उनको क्या मैं दूँ, हाँ दोष उनको क्या मैं दूँ, दोष उनको क्या मैं दूँ। ईश्वर क्या एक कदम उल्टा ज़माना हो गया। ईश्वर क्या एक कदम उल्टा ज़माना हो गया। याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना, दिल दीवाना हो गया, दिल दीवाना हो गया, दिल दीवाना हो गया, दिल दीवाना हो गया, दिल दीवाना हो गया। रंज उठाना फिक्र खाना जाना जाना हो गया। याद में घनश्याम के ये दिल दीवाना हो गया। रंज उठाना फिक्र खाना जाना जाना। Devotees, it is very, very difficult to express this type of emotion, this pain that one experiences on separation. But think about it. Kanhaiya was there with them. They played with him, everything else. He left memories with them. And as I mentioned, memories are inside of you. The closest you can get to me is in my memory. You're inside, not outside. You're inside. And so those gopis, devotees, Gopan Kwal, they all had to live with Kanhaiya in their minds, always with them. And also understand that this type of devotion is what is recommended to for those who have the capacity. Here we had Sakhya Bhav, the friends of Kanhaiya, they associated as friends. We have Madhurya Bhav, the gopis, love relationship. We had Vatsal Bhav, Mata Yashoda, Nand Baba, they considering their Lord, their child as, well, God is the child. This is Vatsal Bhav. Think about this different type of relationships that existed. But the key point was, everybody had a relationship with the Lord. And devotees, don't forget the Rakshas. Everyone that went to destroy Bhagavan Sri Krishna was destroyed and liberated. They were freed. Imagine to die at the hands of the Lord. Now this is called devotion through confrontation. Hinduism is the only religion that allows the man who cannot love but who could hate intensely an opportunity to go to God. You see, all of us speak of love God, but this love varies. But if what about a man who can't show love? He is scarred psychologically, he could only hate. Scripture says, hey man, you have a chance to come to me, the Lord is saying. Ravan, Kans, and I take you to the 18th chapter of the Gita. Bhagavan says, think of me constantly. Worship me, bow down to me, call my name, you shall come to me. Bhagavan did not say with love or with hate, He said, think of me constantly. If you love someone, that one is in your mind day and night. If you hate someone, that person is in your mind day and night. As a man thinketh, so he becometh. So like Ravan, Kumkaran, Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakasipu, they were all liberated. Because that Lord was in their mind day and night. How often is God in our minds, devotees? You have to ask yourself. Bhagavan says, think of me constantly. Bow down to me. I will not go into all that, but each one by itself is a separate action. Think of me constantly. How do I do that? By everything we do in life, offer it to God. Aware of it. All our actions offered to Him. He is there with us all the time. So I'm doing what I have to do in my life. Nobody says sit in a cave and day and night Ram Ram Shiva Shiva. You need to do what you have to do. It's not how many times you call God's name in the devotee, it's where your mind is. And remember, to wrap it up in this way, there was this fellow in India, devotees, who was a great devotee of God. But there was a greater devotee, or one who thought he was the greatest devotee, Narad Muni. Narad Muni, wherever he would go, Narayan Sharanam, Narayan Sharanam. One day he went to Lord Vishnu and said, oh Lord, who is your greatest devotee? Now you see, this is kind of abhiman, eh? So even those of us in part of devotion could be affected by this abhiman, this ego. Many yogis fall. From yogi they become bhogi and rogi. They fall. Maya is very powerful. Maya. Narad Muni went and said, oh Lord, who is your greatest devotee? Bhagavan does everything to help his devotee. He knew Narad Muni was going off track a little bit. So he had to teach him a lesson. He said, Narad, my greatest devotee is a farmer in India. Some village you call. I don't know any village. I wasn't there. So devotees, Narad said, he is the greatest devotee? Bhagavan said, yes. So Narad decided to go and see how this man praying. Because he was thinking, if I call in God's name day and night, Narayan Sharan, I wonder how much time he getting to call God's name more than me? What kind of devotee he is? Narad went to this man's home as a sadhu. He was welcomed. And devotees, he decided to stay. Well, he was invited to stay. That was why he went. To observe the man, how this man prayed. So Narad observed, the fellow devotees, in the morning time he would get up, stretch, Ram! And notice it's Ram, not the other. They say Ram till I die, not Ram till I die. Yeah. Ram! Call Ram name one time. Bayranting, what an gone garden. Work whole day, lunchtime came back home. Wash his hand and so on, sit down, Jai Shri Ram! Eat his food. Go back garden. Evening time, come back home, bathe and so on. Before he sleep, Jai Shri Ram. Fellow gone to sleep. How many times for the day he called God's name? 3 times. Narad said, well, the fellow must be tired today. Because only 3 times he called God's name. Whole I called his name. Holy Narayan Sharanam, Narayan Sharanam. Let me see tomorrow. Next day, same thing 3 times. 4 days passed, 3 times every day. Narad went back to Lord Vishnu and said, Lord, you know, I have a doubt in my mind. How could that person be a greatest devotee? He called your name 3 times per day for 4 days. And I calling your name day and night. So, you know, the ego coming out now. I calling your name day and night. How come he's the greatest devotee and not me? Bhagavan said, Bhagavan didn't answer the question. He sometimes when he try to tell people knowledge, you know, they can't assimilate it because, you see, if you go to, now I'm digress again, to teach people something, they have to be in Prithvi Tattva. You don't plant seed in concrete. You'll have Prithvi Tattva. Make them receptive, then you plant the seed. And if a person this kind of doubt, you think they want Gyan? That will learn the lesson. So devotee Bhagavan gave Narad the Shakapa oil, I Shakapa ghee, but the ghee melted. Filled to the brim and said, Narad, go on Vaikunt with this and make sure not a drop falls out. Narad went right around making sure, concentrating to make sure no oil fall, no ghee fall. Concentrating, and he came right back and said, Bhagavan, yeah. But he didn't understand what Bhagavan was doing to him. Then Bhagavan said, Narad, any ghee fell out? He said, no, Bhagavan, I made sure not a drop of ghee fell out. Then Bhagavan asked Narad, how many times you called my name while going wrong Vaikunt? Then Narad was very, indignant, as we say, taken aback, He said, Lord, how you expect me to concentrate on this ghee and make sure none fell out, and at the same time call your name? You have too much expectation, man, Lord. Then Bhagavan asked Narad, how you expect that farmer to face up to all of life's responsibilities and duties. And still he found time 3 times to call my name. You couldn't call it one time while going wrong here. Who is the greatest devotee? Who is the greatest of all then? Who is greater between both of you? Then Narad understood. You know how many times you call my name? Equality, but not only that. For householders, for all of us. Bhagwan never said go and sit down in a cave and play yogi. And then thinking about the food all the time and thinking this and thinking that. And I keep saying sometimes you sit down, Shiva, if you come up, you go here, Shiva, 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 Shiva. I wonder what happened in Juve. I wonder what happened with mine going by KFC. Now don't tell me these things don't happen, you know. Might not happen to everybody. It happens to one is too much.